Hey guys, so I already did my eyebrows off camera. Now I'm just gonna prime my face with NYX Angel Veil, and I'm just gonna put a couple dots of it all over my face, just like this. Don't mind my nails. Sorry, I broke it. Now I'm gonna take my Bomb Ass foundation by Smashbox, and I'm just gonna put a dot of it on my finger like that, and I'm just gonna put it all over my face, like little dots, like how I did my primer. And then once I got it all over, I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender and just pretty much blend it all out by patting and smoothing it out. Now I'm going to take my brush from e.l.f. I believe this one is the Total Face brush. And I'm also going to take my NYX finishing powder in the color Deep Golden. And I'm just going to dab my brush in there just like so. And then I'm going to take the product and just pretty much smooth it out all over my face. So once I'm done applying my finishing powder, I'll move on to blush. I use this one from Jordana in the color Apple Cheeks. And I pretty much just dab it on my cheekbones. And I only put a little at a time and just pretty much pack it onto where I like it. So after that, I just take my Brow Wiz from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I just pretty much just brush my eyebrows out just in case if I got powder in them. Now I'm going to take the Strobe Genius from NYX. I'm going to use that as my highlight. And I'm going to take this brush from BH Cosmetics. And I'm going to take this brush and just swipe it right there in the middle. And then put it right above where I put my blush. And also right there where my nose is. And get a little more highlighter. And put it underneath my eyebrows. Right there where my brow bone is. Now I'm gonna take my face brush and then pretty much brush out my highlight a little bit so there's no harsh lines. So now I'm gonna take my Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced and apply it on my lashes just like so. And I pretty much put 3 coats of mascara on each eye. That way I got my lashes looking on fleek, y'all. So now I'm going to take my Smashbox Prime Water and spritz that on my face and use that as a setting spray. Then I'm going to take my NYX Liquid Suede Vault and pick a color. So I picked this color. It's called Disorder. So I'm just going to apply it on my lips like so.
Baby on the track, yeah.
Feeling it, so I decided to put on a different color. This one's called Cherry Skies. This is one of my favorite go-to lip colors. I put a second coat because I really want my lips to pop. Yeah, I'm feeling myself. But again, I must change the color because I was feeling something else. So this is my other go-to look. This first color that I'm applying is called Foul Mouth. Yeah, I love this color. It's mad grimy. So, you know, it gives me like this kind of edge. And then the second color that I'm putting in the middle to give an ombre effect is called Amethyst. I love this look, even though this is like a very subtle go-to everyday makeup look, you can still pop it off with some color. So I'm gonna take me a little selfie. This is the completed look. Thanks for watching. Bye.